Right everyone, welcome back to another episode on the VXR. So today we're tackling the rust patches around the sill mouldings. You won't really be able to see them, I don't think, on camera, but there's loads of bubbling up, especially this side. I'll see what I can do. There we go, and then we've got a little bit along this edge here. So all the brackets underneath, all the Torx 20s have snapped off, so I'm going to use a disc cutter to cut the blocks off, as I've ordered new ones anyway. We're going to remove the VXR sill plate with a hot air gun, a spreader, and then using a rubber wheel. We're then going to belt sand back all the heavy rust, then 120 over that, then we're going to apply the acid to it. We're going to leave that overnight, then come back, wash that down, skim some filler over it, and that'll be all good to go. And then episode after this, we will be prepping up, ready to primer all the areas. And then once that's done, we'll primer it. I'm going to take it into the wash bay, deep clean everywhere. I'm going to rub down the primer, and then we're going to get on with adding some actual modifications to the car. So let's get started. So the seal's off now. I'm just going to clean up all this double-sided tape with a rubber wheel quickly. Sorry, it's a little bit dark, but there we go, all done. Now we're going to get a damp cloth and just wipe the dirt off this panel. Right, that's the deeper rust done. I'm just going to go get my D8 with a 120 and start taking all these surface patches of rust off. So that's all DA back with the 120. Even gone over the rough patch as well just to get some more of the rust out. So we're going to get our acid. So I've just put a bit on a Scotch-Brite and we're just going to rub it into the panel. So we're just going to leave that soaking overnight and then we'll be back in the morning and see where we're at. So it's the next day. As you can see, it's starting to eat into the rust. It's gone black instead of like a browny colour. So we're just going to wash that off now with a damp cloth like last time. So we've cleaned all that off. I've now dried it. I'm just going to use the airline blower just to go over it just to make sure it's definitely dry. And then I'm going to give it a little tight skim of dolphin glaze over the top just to fill in the pittedness of the rust holes, just so it's nice and smooth. As you can see, we've skimmed it now nice and tightly. This is just to fill in all the pittedness of where the rust has been. Obviously you can't cure rust unless you're going to cut it out and weld new panels in, etc., but you can hold it back and try to stop it from spreading. As with the acid, it's supposed to eat away at the rust and obviously deoxidize it, etc. I believe that's the correct term. So I'm going to rub down this filler, and I hope you enjoyed our video, and I'll see you on the next episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care everyone.